Hi, this is me Deepak, and today I'm going to talk about what is really happening in my trading account, which is Aaron Condor. And let's see about this. What is this, and what we are going to talk about this trade. Okay. My last video I was uploaded where my trading dashboard. I think the date was 21st May. Contract was 21 May, and after that, I was not able to upload the video, which is trade of my personal trading account. Okay, so now this is my Aaron Condor, and I have done something different due to volatility, because market is going here and there so much. When I was established this trade, the Nifty was 9500, and after that, market will get open tomorrow 300 plus, and again after tomorrow market will get open 190 up, and again market will go up again 60 70 point up, and now market was open sideways, and it is a neutral, like plus 10 point here and there, and again market will go up from here, as you can see, and again market will go down from, and now the Nifty is 9996, it is around the 10,000. So in this scenario, I'm telling to, in this scenario, if we are not able to handle our situations in the volatile market, it's really very difficult to tackle the problem whatever in your trade. So from there, Nifty was cross 10,200 also, so it means 700 point from 9500 to 10200, 95 to 10,200. It went up in 4 days, and in this situation, if you are not able to handle it, if you are not able to set up the trade, it's showing very very bad M2M, and it's a very challenging to manage the situations and manage the trade. So that's why I have done the two adjustments, according to market, what the market have tell me. So in this scenario, what I'm telling to, if you are very good in adjustments, if you are able to handle the situations in gap up, gap down, no need to worry about. It's not for Aaron Condor. I'm telling to, if you are trading in other strategies also. So without adjustment, if you are trading, if you are sitting in the strategies without adjustments, it is a very dangerous. It is a very, because it's a uncontrolled. Everything is uncontrolled. We cannot control the market, moment of a market. It is on behave. It's on a parameter where it will be go up and where it will be go down. But we need to know about that, how I will handle it whenever situation will be here and there. So what I'm telling to here, so I was showing my, this is my trade, this is a two lot setup, it's Aaron Condor, and I have done something different in Aaron Condor due to volatility, and now the trade is going on, and it's a monthly expiry that I have traded in two lots here, and I have traded in the two lots in trades in account. So right now it's not able to open this trades in account, so I'm not able to show you what is happening in my, what is happening in my uh, another account. But actually it is showing 500 plus M2M in another account, which is also iron counter strategy. Okay, so what I'm telling to you, need to know about what is my adjustment plan, what I'm doing, what can I do if market will here and there. This is the most important things before trading, before doing to any setup and anything. So this is my basic thing that I want to tell here. So let's meet on the next video. What will happen, what will I show you. So thank you, bye bye. If you have any confusion about, you can contact me and 8804038785, and you can also comment whatever you want to discuss. So thank you, bye bye, take care.